We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. They'll be expecting me. I'll see more a little later.
Rises spooks of every size.
When the curtains creak and the tombstones whispers the bells away, happy haunts materialize and begin to organize. Bring the ghost to your lives. Now close your eyes and don't try to hide or see. This is my whole side.
Playful spooks have been around our tour. Please remain seated in your Doom Buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by friendly spirits. Kindly remain seated in your Doom Buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.